Привіт-привіт! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian and welcome to my new improvised working place for recording video lessons for you. I had to move again in England and now I feel safe. And I had this issues in 2022 when I had to move a lot of times, and I still have to do it in 2023. Oh my god, but thank god everything is fine, and I started teaching in Oxford, so therefore I was very busy the last several weeks, but now I feel more calm and I can record more video lessons for you. And today I'm going to teach you different bodily noises in Ukrainian language. So, почнімо. Let's get started. So the first word that I'm going to teach you is позіхати. Позіхати, it means to yawn. Позіхати. Так, далі, the next one is кашляти. Кашляти. To cough. Кашляти. Добре. Пчихати. Пчихати. Sneeze. So, you can hear that the name of these words, yes, we took after the sounds, like when you sneeze, I don't know, in Ukraine we do like this, we do the sound, so therefore we formed the verb пчихати. Пчихати. Так, добре, далі. Плямкати. Smoking. Плямкати. Так, добре, плямкати. So, I do the sounds for you, not because I'm an actress, yes, but I just want you to make association with the sound and with the verb. So, плямкати, it means smoking. The next one, the sound, I'm sorry, хропіти. Yes, so Ukrainians listen to the sound and they try to repeat it and then said, okay, we will call it хропіти. Хропіти, to snore. Хропіти. Далі, плювати. Okay, I want to do this. It means to spit. Плювати. Плювати. Добре, далі, гристи. Гристи. Munch. Гристи. And also we call гризуни such type of animals like rats, mouse, when they can, like, I think, munch nuts or seeds. So therefore we also have this verb гристи. Гристи. Munch. Гристи. The next one is жувати. I can say that it doesn't sound like in English means chew, and it sounds very accurate as we do the sound, yes, but in Ukrainian language, I don't know why, but we have this verb as жувати. Жувати. Так. The next one, пищати. Пі-пі-пі-пі-пі-пі-пі. Пищати. Так, squeak. Пищати. Так, миша пищить. A mouse squeaks, we can say like this. Пищати. Далі, шморгати носом. Шморгати носом. To sniff. Шморгати носом. So when you have a runny nose, so we say шморгати носом. Далі, гикати. Гикати. Hiccup. Гикати. So, гикати. Гикати. It's very interesting verb. Hikати. Так, so it means hiccup in Ukrainian language. And a noun is hikavka. A hiccup. A noun. Hikavka. Так. Добре, цікаво. The next one. Потягуватися. To stretch. Потягуватися. Так. Потягуватися. Stretch. Добре. Сьорбати. Сьорбати. It means slurp. Сьорбати. So remember, you can repeat after me to practice the correct pronunciation of these verbs. Сьорбати. Okay, another one. Човгати ногами. Човгати ногами means shuffle your feet. Човгати ногами. Човгати ногами. Okay. Хрустіти пальцями. I can't do that and I hate when people do that. But I will teach you this expression. Хрустіти пальцями. Knuckle cracking. Хрустіти пальцями. Окей, далі. Скреготіти зубами. Скреготіти зубами. To grin one's teeth. Скреготіти зубами. Далі. Сутулитися. Сутулитися. To slouch. Сутулитися. So we have some compound words here. So when you practice reading them, you can divide them into syllables. It is easier. Сутулитися. 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 Добре. And the last one is чухати. 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 To scratch. Чухати. Guys, what do you think about these verbs? What are useful for you? What is your favorite one? Please write your answers in this comment section below. I'm curious about your answers. If you want to learn Ukrainian language more, or you want to become fluent in it, please check out my online Ukrainian language school at the website speaky.com. There you can book a trial lesson, sign up for Ukrainian language course, and also I have some free learning materials for you. If you want to see more Ina's video lessons, you can subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language. I appreciate your support on Patreon or here with the super thanks. You can check out my charity store, buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. Thank you so much for helping Ukrainians in these difficult times. It is very important for us, and we hope that 2023 is the victory year. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Your teacher Ina. Ваша вчителька Інна. Па-па. Bye-bye.